You know what time it is, guys. Hey everyone, it's Rob with Rob Finds Treasure, and if you watched my Bank Hop video, this is the box of dimes that I visited several branches of Chase Banks at to form a full box of dimes. It's mixed with customer wrapped as well as machine wrapped, and just to familiarize you with what I'm looking for, obviously we're looking for silver dimes no matter what. That's what we really want to find in here. But there are a couple of other dimes I'll be looking for. First, I'll be looking for the 1982 no mint mark. There's two different varieties of that coin. There's the strong strike and the weak strike. Both coins fetch between $100 to $300 or more if they're in really good mint state condition. So we'll be checking for those. We'll also be looking for the 1996 West Point dime. That was a dime that was made for mint sets only, and it was marking the 50th anniversary of the design. And so you're always checking your 1996 dimes for the W mint mark versus the normal mint marks that you'd find for the Philadelphia, Denver, and of course the Proof S mint mark as well. That's what we're looking for today. We'll also be looking for any proofs, any planchets that are struck oddly, any varieties or errors. I've not had a lot of success in hunting dimes. That's why I figured I'd try this technique to see what I get. So wish me luck, and as always, I'll go through the coins, and if I find anything, I'll loop you in. We're going to start, and we're going to hunt all the customer wrap ones first, since it's really hit or miss. These could be searched or not. You never know. I didn't see any enders on the top sides of these machine wrapped. I didn't check both sides, and I've not checked any of the customer wrapped. So kind of in for a treat. Let's get to hunting. Okay guys, we're on the 10th roll, and I failed to mention that I'm looking for these also in the beginning of the video, but you definitely want to pull out your 2009 dimes. They're low minted that year, or low mintage, and they're worth more than face value for sure. So we're on the board with a 2009 dime. That's a good sign. Most coin collectors will pull those out, so maybe there's more in here. All right guys, we're on the 14th roll, and spilled the roll out. Disregard the green one, but I didn't even realize it because I opened it upside down. We've got a ender, and I only opened it from that side and pushed through the bottom and didn't even look. Looks like a silver dime. $1956. No mint mark, so it's Philadelphia. We'll take it. We're on the board with a silver dime. Let me get this lighting a little better here. 1956. Not in the greatest condition, but it's silver. All right. So now we've got a 2009 low mint, a 1956 Philadelphia silver, and a kind of a cool toned 2006 that I pulled out. I might put it back, but it's got a grayish, kind of like a pewter tint to it. It's kind of cool looking. So, pulled it out. All right, we're on the board. Let's keep looking. Okay, everyone, we finished hunting the 22 rolls of customer wrapped rolls, and we have 28 machine wrapped to go. You saw the finds. You got a 2009 low mint, a 1956 Philadelphia silver dime, and a cool tone coin. So, we'll move on to the machine wrapped and see if we can score another silver or so. All right, guys, roll 25, halfway through the box. And we got another 2009. 2009D. We'll take it. We like the low mintage dime coins for sure. Let's get back to the hunt. Roll number 31, guys, and we've got another 2009. Denver as well. We'll take it. It's our third. Roll 40. Another 2009 dime. We'll take it. That makes 4. We'll keep looking for silver though, or something else cool. Roll 42, and yet another 2009 dime. We're scoring pretty good on the 09s this time for sure. That's 5. We're on the last roll, guys, and as what luck would have it, I think we got a silver dime in it. I don't see any others. Looks a little worn. Let's see what it is. No mint mark again. But it is a 1962 Philadelphia. That is awesome. The last roll of the box. Are you kidding me? Let me go through these and we'll get you a roundup. Okay, guys, that was a fun hunt. Remember, I had a lot of fun getting all these rolls and collecting them. The only downfall is you don't know where you got the silver, and if you got one silver in that roll, you might have, if you got the full box, you might have got more silvers. But who knows? These were not in boxes. They were loose rolls, so they probably wouldn't have been a box anyway. At the end of the day, we scored some pretty good finds. We got 5 2009 dimes, all D, Denver Mint. We'll take them. Less than 100 million minted, which is low for dimes. We got 2 silvers, guys. A 56 Philadelphia and a 62 Philadelphia. I'll take that any day of the week for a box. And then we get a couple of cool toned coins. We've got this pewter colored 2006 and a two-toned goldish / silver toned 2016. I really hope you enjoyed this hunt with me, guys. I had a great time hunting these dimes. If you did, please give the video a thumbs up. And as always, thanks for watching.